Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now, boy? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? People are joining. All right, give me a few minutes. Let's give it a few minutes for people to join, and then we run it. Yeah, 1 second. You know what to do? I'm gonna have one of our weekly wisdom analysts come in and talk about some coins too. So he's a really great guy. Okay. Let me share this on. All right, let's go. Yeah, we're gonna go over some market stuff. Let's give it two more minutes. See a lot of people starting to join, so we got some good wine here. It's gonna be a wine stream. It's gonna be fun. We got 2021 Schaefer Chardonnay. If you guys can do me a favor, how about this? If you guys can do me a favor and retweet and comment under my last tweet about the stream, that would mean a lot to me, please. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much. No, you're not late. We haven't even started. Someone just said, "Am I late?" I'm just waiting for people to get in. People are like flying in. It's already 300 in like 3 minutes. All right, we're popping. Let's go do a couple things, and then I'm gonna have one of our analysts. He just joined. I'm gonna have him come on and chat with you guys as well. He's not Doc, so for now, and then so he's gonna just be on voice. But let me just go through a couple things here. So listen, okay. I I did okay. Let me preface this properly, okay? So what's big in crypto right now? It's this whole Black Bull Ansem coin. So I'll say first and first, even though in the past me and Ansem had a little back and forth, um, I have no ill feelings towards him, and I think a lot of people give him a hard time for things that are really not in his control. Like, for example, fine. Maybe there are some things he should have done better, like celebrity coins. He shouldn't have pushed for that, but that's okay. People make mistakes. Um, Also, I think a lot of times people don't realize like meme coins are a zero coin. It's just it might go up like 50,000x first, right? So then you have coins like WIF and other hubs and all these other coins he promoted that are basically down 99% now. But I think that's not fair because listen, when you get into meme coins, your base case needs to be that this is going to be zero at some point, right? Like if it's not today or tomorrow, at some point, my buy is going to be down 99% if I don't take profits, right? So I think that's where the big disconnect is that people just assume that every coin is going to end up someday like Doge. Even Doge is down from the highs that much, but they're like, oh, if it gets to 10, 15 billion, it'll be fine. But listen, one in like 25,000 launches now, even get to like what, 5 million? One in like you have a better odd of getting struck down by lightning multiple times in an hour than you do on hitting like a 10,000x right now. It's just that's not me just speculating. That's just the current numbers. It's also because it's the ease of entry has become so good, right? Like so when I got into meme coins and stuff, like we're talking like 2018, 2019, 2020, right? If we're talking like BSC just came out, meme coins based on that. Um, ETH just had started having meme coins. The barrier to entry, for example, Ethereum, when ETH meme coins started going, like Floki, stuff like that. This is after Doge and Shiba. Floki was a big thing. One of the big barrier to entries was the cost. To launch on Ethereum, you had to basically have a dev that would spend, God knows, like 5 ETH, 6 ETH. Like we're talking like 10 grand, 5 to 10 grand just to deploy the contract. And even then, you don't know if it'll happen properly. Then you got to pay get it on like some of the basic exchanges. Then you have to get awareness. So you have to pay people to share it in different Telegram chats. Then you have to build volume. And people back then built volume by themselves. Like if your coin is dumping, you're not like right now bundling, right? Like there was no concept of bundling back then. Back then, because it costs so much. So you can't bundle shit. So you launch the coin, and you just go in the market and you have to buy. So you and your friends, the dev hits you up. You're like, hey man, I'm launching this coin. But now realize one meme coin would maybe launch every week. And so the barrier to entry back then to hit 100x was just like you buy one coin out of 5 and you're probably going to hit 100x. Right now it's 100x is what, 1 out of maybe 2,000, 3,000 coins. And that's if you get in on launch, that's 100x. It used to be 1 out of 5. You could hit like 100 million, 1 out of 10. Like these are epic odds, right? Because barrier to entry. So there was only like 5-6 devs out there. Like on ETH, there were literally only 5-6 devs that would launch memes and then build volume, stuff like that, right? Like that stuff does not exist anymore. Like you had guys like Eric Cryptoman and you had the Gems of Ra guys. Like these were all the OG meme coin guys, right? And then this is like right after ICO season. So the barrier entry was so high, you didn't have people like when people spent 10,000 on a coin just to launch it. And you know that if you're going to launch any other coins, because you're on the few devs and there's only a certain amount of KOLs, and KOLs, there wasn't even a KOL back then, but you didn't have people, they wouldn't take you back if you rugged them. Because there was only like 7, 8, 10 maybe meme coin KOLs back then, like with Telegram chat, stuff like that. So you had this high incentive for your coin. If you launch it, you needed it to succeed. So it's very rare coins rug. So now you go from a 1 to 10 hitting 100 million to a 1 of 5 hitting 100x to 1 in 10,000 hitting 10 million, 5 million, and 1 in maybe 5,000 hits 100x. And that's you getting it on launch, right? So that's become a big difference right now, and people kind of don't understand that, right? Like it's become very PvP. It used to be PvE. I would say the last true PVE OG launch, in my view, was Pepe. We really like, yeah, we had coins after that did well. Of course, we've had Whiff, we had Goat, Fart Coin, but Pepe was like the last real launch, OG launch, and that's why it did so well and survive. It survived still. Of course, it's down, but not down as much as other coins. So I think that's a big thing. So right now, people get in, they think every coin is Bitcoin. And if you don't succeed on a coin, they blame the people right off the cuff. They're like, hey, this coin is down 99%. Like, whoa, you bought a coin that was at 100 million, at 200 million, when coins have a 1 in 10,000 chance now to go to 100 million. Like, that's on you. Yeah, someone with a bag at 100 million, what do you want him to say? If he's been shilling from zero to 100 million, like, what do you want him to say? Like, oh, this is done. I dumped, or I'm about to dump. Because the moment he sells, everybody knows that they're going to dump it. So it becomes very tricky, this new climate on both sides, on the consumer side and on the shilling side. Without shillers, you don't have the distribution. And with retail, no one's going to buy your shit. So you don't have any. It's a very tricky balance, right? So when people give Ansem such a hard time, like you have to kind of take it. Maybe he's done some things that I don't know of. I have no proof of it, of him taking paid shills, which, it's possible. Him doing this and that. But he started this new thing. Maybe this is what it is. Maybe he was approached by Pump Fund and it's like, we need to drop off some volume. We'll give you a paycheck on the back end. And here, we'll also put in volume into your coin. Maybe. This is me speculating. I have no clue. This might not be true at all. Who knows? But that could be a potential. And then he has his coin run up, right? Maybe this leads into a potential Pump Fund airdrop, or maybe this was it. They're like, airdrop to everyone, and that's basically the Pump Fund airdrop, right? Like a backhanded kind of thing. So he's protected because they probably pay him well, or he'll make good money, I hope. Now the problem is not that. The problem is we're in a bear market. The problem is where liquidity is very, very rare, and you're in a situation where it's, everyone wants this to happen. We want meme coin season bad because everyone from 2024 has lost everything, right? They've round trip trying to learn perps. And none of these guys were real traders. They were just one-hit wonders and gamblers, and they hit that random 1 in 1,000, 1 in 10,000, 1 in 25,000, right? So now they thought they were traders and they went to trade, and now they lost everything. And they're like, listen, all I'm good at is buying shit bags, shit coins, and shilling them to my communities. And that's what's happened on the second tier of this Ansem coin. Ansem coin, great, doing well. He's putting in the hard work. It's got a big money aside behind whatever it may be. Now you have these guys who are like salivating. They're like, oh my God, we are retarded and we actually are not traders and we couldn't make it as perp traders and we got completely wiped out. What do we do now? Now we're going to use Ansem's pump to start shilling our dog shit again. We're going to say TJR, he's made a single dollar. He's going to start shilling his shit. We have Luke Belmont, same thing. They both rugged in hours, right? Mid excuses, bullshit. And then you're going to have other people are going to launch something for Murad. People are going to launch something for someone. And that's going to be bullshit. And it's all to rug you guys. That's all it is. Now, again, I'm making very clear. Blackpool, Ansem, I don't think he has any intention of rugging. Now, it may go down 99% someday, but I think that's just because that's how meme coins are. I don't think he has any malicious intent, but every other person, 1,000 they have malicious intent. And 2 for 2, we've already gone. We have Luke Belmont, rug is going. We have TJR, rug is going. TJR is obviously one of the worst traders I've seen from a perp standpoint. The only money he makes is through just like scam shit, scam meme coins, pump and dumping, blah 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 blah. So Luke Belma, even worse grifter, he's lost all his sources of income. So this is a great way for him to run, and you'll see this more and more over the next few days. Cupsy, same thing. So again, I think that's the thing. So I wouldn't say this is a new matter. Meme coins are back, nothing. If anything, honest to truth, I think this is actually a signal of another leg down. And let's take a look at the market. Let's kind of take a look at market here and see why I'm kind of saying that, right? So right now, look, last two times we came to this range. So we came here, we hit it hard V-shaped recovery, and we go all the way to 82K from 57, 58K. We come back down, 57, 58K. We pumped it to 67K, rejected here, right? Then now we're back here, trying to break. It's holding, but how long will it hold? If it moved aggressively back, that's one thing, but now it's consolidating here, and that makes me worryful. On top of that, same. I mean, you name it. All coins are getting crushed. These were the best coins of the bear market, and they're getting slaughtered. Slaughtered. This is down. I mean, not as much as meme coins and other coins, but getting slaughtered right now. You have, and these are these are all things I'm gonna bid on. Like, I'll probably bid, yeah, like $10 here, or maybe if we retouch this, I might try. But if not $10 here, I'm gonna bid on VVV. These are long-term bids, by the way. Um, near looks, yeah, maybe 1.69 could be a bid, like around here, 1.65. WLD, I'm not sure. WLD was a trade on the back of um, like OpenAI and stuff. So that one I think is a little bit trickier. We are at support. Maybe this holds. We'll see. 0.40 could be a level. Um, these are the ones that I think should be way lower. 73, this needs to retouch the 60 level. So I want to make a bet, like at least it comes down to 65. So I like being short Solana. And I think if anything, all this new stuff is just a signal that things are gonna get worse. But all right. Somebody says so everyone is broke. Yeah, a lot of most of the people are. They lost everything because they don't know how to trade. You know who made the money? Run a Binance to exchanges. Look at the volume Hyperliquid's doing and how much fees they're making. Where do you think that money's coming from? Trump's made, they just got it was just released. They made over 1.2 billion in fees off meme coins and WLD and so on. That's more money than Trump made his entire life. He made in 1 year of being president in crypto. Actually, that's a great tweet. I'm gonna put that tweet out. 1 second. Trump made more in 1 year, over 1.2 billion liquid than he did this entire year. Okay, I think that was a good tweet. All right, let's do this. Give free favorites of next cycle. Fundamental stuff, hype, AI stuff, near privacy, and then as a secondary, tertiary bet, maybe some other exchanges, options, stuff like that. Speaking of options, you know what? Let's give one of our team. Oh wow, we got 655 people now here. Let's give one of our core strategist the stage, and let's hear what he wants to talk about. Let me bring him up. Monkey, can you hear us? Did he step away?
Yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me, Wiz?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, how are you guys doing?
Doing everyone's doing good. What do you want to do? Are you able to share your screen? Because
Yeah, sure, sure. I can
okay,
show
you
my.
share your screen and whatever you want to talk about here. 15 minutes you can chat
Sure.
about whatever you want. And then we'll do a little bit of gambling after that.
Perfect, perfect. Hmm. Let me just see which screen to share. So yeah, I think my screen should be visible now. Is my screen visible?
No, it's mine. Maybe there's
Okay.
a thing you gotta put. Hold on. I'll take mine out. Maybe that's what it is. Hold on. Try now. Hmm? Oh, your cam is off, so it disconnected you. Oh, I see your thing. Okay, that's your screen, but you gotta come back on. There we
Yeah.
go.
Okay.
Good.
It should be perfect.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
perfect.
it's all
Yeah.
good.
All right.
So yeah,
Let's see.
as Wiz talked about the options matter. I think I have something to add to that. So the options, so the on-chain options are getting a lot of tractions, especially in the last 3 to 4 months. Their volume have tripled, and it's been an ever-growing space, especially with the rise of DeFi options. Particularly, if you look at DRV or if you look at SIN, I mean, the volumes on Sin are are super low, but it's a step in the probably in the right direction. A lot of these firms are now trying to. So there are like three major players in this space. So one is Derive, which is like doing all of the on chain volume. We're probably the biggest firm right now. Followed by them is I wouldn't. So there is Risk and there is Sin, but there isn't much volume on Sin, but there is some bit of volume on Risk. But they do kind of the similar thing. And the last one is which hasn't gotten much traction and probably will be my go-to platform, that is Paradigm. Sorry, that is Paradex, which is backed by this huge options block or FQ firm called Paradigm, which will be kind of my main play. We had Sin. We had a call on Sin at 0. Let me pull up the chart. So yeah, we caught Senate around here in the weekly wisdom chart. Yeah, I still have that charting, those marking. So yeah, we caught Sin around almost here, and it ran up on the back of this narrative. It
Oh
ran
yeah,
up.
that's a great trade.
Yeah,
Yes, that
we
took.
yeah, we got like closed absolutely here, like I don't know, 600% or something like that. Probably just some members did like a 2x long from here, and they closed it
Yeah,
all the way.
710%. That guy did. Yeah.
Yeah, probably 1,000% on some of. So one guy put like I don't know some 3K or something like that and extracted 16K. So yeah, so this is the trade. I think the main area of focus should be this because well, I mean options has a huge portion in the TradFi space, and in my opinion, I mean there are some problems of liquidity in the in the DeFi options especially. But I think they are gradually getting fixed. And so yeah, so probably the coins I would watch is Dime, and Synplay is almost done. Maybe some DRV. I mean, just start it up too. I think we talked about DRV too. So yeah, I mean, just look at these coins on how, I mean, how they are moving. So I expect the Dime to do something like that too. So Dime isn't listed on the major exchanges. You can buy it on Paradex. So yeah, I mean, so it's like at 10 million right now. So drop down from like 28, 26 million. It's now at 10. But considering how they are backed by the Paradigm, which does probably half of the block or FQ's volume in the world, I think this is going to be a good play if you want to hop on to. We can look at some tickers too, some shit coins if you guys want. the top gainers, the top losers. So yeah, I'll pivot to that next. If you have some questions, drop it in the chat. I think I can see the chat. Let me just load up the chat. So yeah, let's look at some of the interesting coins and some of the interesting meta that is that can do super well in the upcoming days. So the first one that I would like to kind of touch down uh, is the hyperliquid LIT and now probably even Direx. So yeah, I think these coins are like good. Wiz had a bid on this one too. I'm not sure where it was, but he said to monitor this, and yeah, it's been ripping.
Which one's that?
Direx.
Oh yeah, DYDX. Yeah, yeah. Dude, we
Yeah.
used to be big, like sort of OG Weekly Wisdom. We used to, or like I guess it used to be a Liquid Capital. We used to have a huge DYDX position because like they pull hyper liquid and stuff. We were one of the biggest users of DYDX. It was because you would get tokens for all your fees. So all the fees you would spend, they would give you in tokens, and then the token would pump. It was insane. Obviously,
Yeah,
hyper liquid ate all their lunch, but yeah, DYDX used to be like the OG because it was also had like FTX market makers in it and stuff.
yeah. I mean, what do you think about GMX? I mean, I saw G. I mean,
Same thing. It's that OG options platform,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
No, GMX was. I think it was something like hyper. It wasn't like hyper liquid, but
but it was derivatives.
yeah, it was derivatives. Yeah, it was
Yeah,
a derivatives platform. Yeah, it's
yeah. It
totally.
used to be. I mean, it was one of Arbitrum's biggest platforms. Was GMX.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, it's insane. I mean, it's super shit right now, but
Yeah,
if Direx is gonna catch some bait, maybe if it probably does something like this, it can do. I don't know. If it sweeps that low, probably get an H12 SFP. You can find a good trade setup here too. Yeah, Paradox RFQ link to Paradigm is launching it. Yeah, yeah, exactly. So this is the thing about this play. Right now, everyone is kind of like seeing kind of like seeing this chart and say, yeah, it's super shit. They're not going to do anything. But the thing is, the parrot company that's backing Paradox is Paradigm, which does like $1 billion of option trading volume a day. They kind of like crowd all the router route all of the terabits order, all of the yeah. So there's the thing. Yeah, I think it's an undervalued at 9 million, considering how much money the Paradigm makes and how they're gonna push Paradox to. Yeah, so I think if you want to make a bet on the meta, I think this is the one. Obviously, you can make bets on DRV too. A bit expensive right now, in my opinion. Maybe if you get some pullback on the daily chart. Okay, let me just check. Yeah, yeah. I mean, okay, I'm not sure whether it's gonna nuke that much, but this can be your potential trade setup. So if you just bid on the daily 200 EMA, so something like this maybe. So you just layer your bids between here and this point, and yeah, it kind of like goes up. So yeah, this can be a good play too. Other than that, let's see some more coins. Bio is like it's looking super shit. So just skip that. Arrow. By the way, Arrow is it's an options platform too. I think, if I'm not getting that wrong, Arrow is an option platform, right? Yeah. So okay, it's not that option platform. I just checked. So yeah, this one has been getting a lot of traction. BYTH. I'm not sure. So these are all of the dinos from like 2023. Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure about how I feel about pumping them, but yeah. Yeah. Exactly, exactly. I mean, all of the probes have been delisted on that coin. So if they have to make a comeback, it has to be in these days. Let's see some of my favorite coin, like Lab or something like that. Hmm. Okay, I mean, so we have talked about this coin a lot, but yeah. So if one of these coins that I'll probably talk more in detail is the ARC token. So yeah, I mean, just look at the pattern it's forming here. Uh, like if you want to bet on something like uh, okay, so let me find the right word. So something like Lab. So we haven't had much tokens that did some volume like Lab. I think this can be a decent trade. So just layer bits between this 200 EMA and the yeah, and this I think you'll find a decent entry around the mid of it and get 2 to 3 R. So yeah, I mean this can be a decent bid. Like if you had just bidded it the first time, so in here you would have like made a lot of profits. But I think still there is window between here and there. And another coins that are seeing strength right now is the revenue generating meta. So
Yep.
yeah, so the revenue generating meta. I mean there is Grass, there is EtherFi, there is XPL.
How well is Grass doing? That's a good point. I forgot about them.
Yeah, last time I heard they were like, so they were still making money. They were still buying back tokens. I mean, the chart is okay. The chart is now looking kind of decent, by the way. Okay, so we might have a
Yeah, wow. That chart looks way better than VVV or Near. I forgot about this coin. Yeah,
yeah,
I was trying to get in. It's funny. It was actually one of our community members. He was a ex mod. Him and his so he was one of the OG investors in it, and it was his like best friend from high school. And then I think once it launched or whatever, he left. He's like, I made so much money on it, but he almost got me in on the seed level, and I didn't know enough about it, and then it became like the hottest thing you could buy. It was insane.
but yeah, I mean, if I just focus on it from a technical level, so let's look at it from that. Okay, so yeah. So yeah, I mean, these weekly EMAs have been flipped for the first time in like ages. So yeah, if you want to bet, it's kind of decent. It's not that bad looking. Probably place your renal audition somewhere around here. Have some bits layered up. Yeah, yeah. I do believe this is a good one. So let's look at EtherFi too. EtherFi,
Yeah, another good one.
EtherFi USDT, dot perpetuals. Let's see. Okay, this looks worse than grass. I'm not sure whether I would even buy this. Yeah, like Viz, do you know why they are like going down? I mean, they have been doing super great in terms of. Uh,
Liquidity tokens. I mean, they just had a big collab. No, they just announced with was it with BlackRock or with who did they?
it was ENA. It was ENA. Right? It was ENA
It was
USD.
ENA, not ET. Oh,
No.
okay.
Oh, yeah, what the fuck?
That
It's
looks
new.
horrible.
Yeah, the Black Rock can. I mean, everyone is holding.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
looks tough. I mean, on that chart, looks like maybe there's some potential to at least hit like that last low. That's about it. If you're trying to like
wait.
hyper scalp, but like I don't know, man. I would not buy a chart like that. Like I
Yeah,
mean, you could argue it's starting to reach a bottom, but not really. It's just lower lows. Look at that. It's just constant lower lows. We need a
yeah,
couple. If it starts like doing like a curve thing over here, and there's some like volume and whatnot going through, then maybe. Otherwise, that just looks shit. I would not
yeah.
suggest buying that, but who knows?
Maybe if it forms like an RSI or AO divergence. Okay, even it's not forming that. I mean, it's super shit. I
Yeah,
mean, sure.
it's just trash.
Yeah, yeah.
But the people who were like seed on this were a lot of like, oh, not gonna say grifters, but like it's like DeFi season, ICO season, like 27, 2018, 2020. Like they haven't done a single good trade since. So they probably saw liquidity in this, and they were just like, every time they get their unlock, dump, dump, dump. I
Yeah,
remember
yeah.
Ansem used to shill this a lot.
And then there were multiple guys on CT. I think it was a guy called Pigeon Two. He used to come in and kind of like shill this. It
Oh
would
yeah,
drop.
I know. Yeah, I remember. I used to fight with him all the time. Then he went crazy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. He turned off his.
Yeah,
He kind of rebranded his entire thing. I mean,
dude.
someone doxed him too. Someone doxed him too.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. He was. So this is what happened with him. So in around I think maybe 2023 or whatever, there was this huge meta where you would put like like shitty KOLs would put like an email, not email, sorry, their address on Twitter and say like I'm raising money to launch a coin.
Ben.
And yeah, Ben and stuff. Yeah, yeah, I remember Ben. Like, these guys raised like 25, $30 million. Like it was insane. So Pigeon kept talking shit about them, and he was like, you know what? I'm gonna raise my own and launch my own coin. And he put an address, and I think he raised like, I think it was like $900. And then he was, yeah, seriously. And then he was like, "Oh, I was just kidding. Obviously, I'm not gonna launch a meme coin." Everybody knew it was a joke. And we're like, everybody was like, "No, bro, you put this out legit." And all you did was raise 900, where people that nobody even knows with like 50 followers. Like there was this one guy with like 800 followers. He raised 10 million. So it was like, okay, come on, this is just all bullshit.
Yeah, I remember that 10 million guy. He had like no followers. Yeah.
Dude, it was nuts. Dude, there was the guy, the crocodile. You had like a crocodile PFT. This was like after Bohm, like because Bohm only raised like a couple 100,000, now around the billions. And so all the next guys who were like shitty artists were like, okay, I'm gonna launch. Here's my address. And it was just, I mean, it maybe went like 1.5, 2x, but and then some just burnt like the entire supply. Like it was hilarious.
Yeah, it was. XPO is looking like. I mean, everyone is shilling it on CT, but
Yeah, same
yeah,
shit. Yes. Yeah, it's all the plasma. Yeah, plasma had that run before too, where everyone was shilling,
yeah. I mean, it
and
has
then it
been.
was just down only.
Yeah, I mean, we got in like here. I mean, okay, so it was around 7.3. We exited around 0.9. But yeah, I mean, I had kind of expected it to go like at least 2x with the plasma one expectations. But yeah,
Yeah.
we can't much. I mean, there are a lot of bag holders that are gonna sell. Let's look at Aster. It's gonna be interesting to watch that shot. I'm still long on it, but whatever. What are your thoughts on this one? Yeah,
What's this? I can't see.
Aster.
Oh God. I mean, listen. I like the guy, the founder Leonard. He's a good friend of mine. Um, I I think like if 1010 didn't happen, I think Aster actually would have been close to, or maybe not close, but at least maybe would have taken 30% volume from Hyperliquid. I think Aster got pushed so hard and so aggressively by
Fast.
CZ that this is the next Hyperliquid guarantee. Not the next, but this is going to be bigger than Hyperliquid. And this is the next Binance. And you can get into the next Binance for free right now by just farming it. And people with not much money who lost a lot post meme coin crisis were like, okay, I'm gonna just farm this like people farmed Hyperliquid, right? Like Weekly Wisdom and us, we were one of the biggest farmers like of Hyperliquid with multiple top 25 account airdrops. Um, and people were like that who missed. Like I used to shill that shit to everyone when it had just launched, like just started using it. and people were like, "This is trash," and they were like, "Okay, we have a second chance at this." And I think people with like no money aggressively started levering up because things were pumping, right? Everything was pumping. It
Yeah,
looked like we would run towards all-time high again, and I think that's exactly what happens. That people just it was all leverage, high leverage. And so when you had a lot of stuff like volatility with Trump happening, his trade war stuff, other international volatility that was affecting the markets, it just pushed everybody and then became like like a catalyst, and then it was just like a dominoes. And that so I really think like the leverage in the ecosystem driven by Aster and obviously Hyperliquid as well, and other like Lit, Backpack, all the other garbage exchanges, they all contributed to it. But I think it got started because CZ shielded way too hard. I think if we did it more casual and more behind the scenes, I think Aster would have been like a powerhouse. Now they're trying to incentivize stuff. They're doing like what like almost 100% buybacks now. Um,
yeah, there
I
were Lux are gonna end too.
Yeah, I think like it really comes down to what's your beta or secondary exchange if you want to get hyper liquid exposure with more risk, right? Like do you go to one of these like lits and all the other fucking coins of exchanges, or do you go to Aster or DYDX? I think or maybe some options exchange. Like I think that's what really comes down to. And maybe some people think it's Aster, and then it's a good buy if that's the case. Um, and it has like random pumps. Like look at that. Like that's
It's
not too
L.
bad.
Wait, no, it's it's
What is
LIT.
that? Oh
It's
yeah, okay.
the yeah. I mean, this
Yeah, it's
is
still in like deep range. And if
yeah,
anything, it needs to retest that lower bound. So
maybe. Yeah. I mean, can do some bits here.
yeah,
Stop like I don't know, kind of like here.
like below the wick, yeah,
Yeah, I
right
guess.
below the wick.
Yeah, target
That's
maybe.
not a bad trade. Yeah, you could do. That's right. Actually, actually not a bad trade. Like
Yeah,
if you want to get in, like if you're like hungry for a trade on an exchange that's not hype, yeah, you could get in on like right around here and have a little wider stop out and look for that upside. Like me, ideally, I would try to go in little bit lower, like closer to the bottom line, and have that as a stop out that you have, and then go for just testing top of the range and not a breakout. But that's
yeah.
just
So
me being a bit risk averse and a little more profit maxi.
yeah, I mean, I remember what happened during the Trenton because I was like actively trading Asterin during those days.
Yeah.
So yeah, so here was the, I
They
think
bounced, remember? They
yes,
bounced
yes,
so
yes, yes.
aggressively.
I was about to point that area with yeah
Yeah.
here. So I remember Bitcoin was nuking multiple percentages,
Oh yeah.
and something weird happened to Esther. So it was they announced a buyback. So usually, so here was the play during this entire time. So they would announce buybacks during random times, or it was something like this. I don't remember the exact timings, but they announced buybacks around here. And while Bitcoin was nuking multiple percentages, it pumped 18%. I think this is where most people got screwed. So they bought, well, its strength, believing it is yeah, I mean its strength to see is backing it. It is new hot thing, but in reality got nuked 50% in an instant. I mean it was super brutal. It was super brutal. So yeah, I think these are some of the plays that you can make. I mean hyperliquid, maybe some of the coins in the hyperliquid trenches are pumping. So I don't know how to feel about that, but yeah, I mean hyperliquid's great as always. So yeah, do you want to share your screen with?
What's that?
Do you want to share your screen?
For what?
Do you want to gamble or I don't know?
I don't know. People are enjoying you talking. Keep talking. If you have, unless you're done, then we can gamble. You
Sure,
let
sure,
me
sure.
know. Yeah. Like our viewers just keep going up. We're at 981. So if
Yeah,
it's
some
working, yeah, why not? This is good. I mean,
So,
honestly, this is pretty incredible knowledge. Like all this stuff. Like I think we should definitely get the clippers to clip tons of this stuff.
yeah, a lot of
You know
stories
what you
from.
should do? You should get like one of those things. You know where like they put like the fake face, like in the Apple phones. It's like a mouse or like an owl. Like
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
you should get like one of those so that'd be
Some of
funny.
that PFP. Yeah, yeah. I'll have my PFP talking in the next stream.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Can Bitcoin hit 50K? I don't know. Maybe. Who knows? I like to play ranges. If you, I mean, I'll just wait. Let me just look into some stuff. Yeah. So if you want to play range, here is your range play. I'm probably sharing a lot of alpha here since a lot of these charts are drawn for the weekly wisdom. But yeah, if you get any H4 swing failure pattern around this area, this is your play. This is your play. I think you can get a decent 2 hour trade out of this. So just wait for a candle like this one. So it's, like this. So you can see a huge wick, a swing failure of a level of a previous swing point. I mean, you will have a tighter invalidation and a good risk to reward. So yeah, so if you just invert this into here, if you get a similar candle, you can just short it. Sorry, long it. Yeah. Yeah, here's the here's the only play I'm looking for. Maybe we can look at some options. Let me just change up my screen. Present. Okay, stop sharing. Wait, let me just load up the other screen. So yeah, let's see what do we have on options here. So yeah, I mean Ivy is in pretty normal regime right now. Nothing much to do. I mean Hype always has this elevated IV. So IV is like the implied volatility. So it is to put it in a super simple way. It's like the move that people expect. So the term implied comes from there. So what it is implied on, it is implied in the options pricing. If you just look at the options chain, let's see if we can find something interesting. Okay, so this chart is super interesting. So here's the spot price and like at which level we have the highest spot activity. So yeah, I mean right now it's sitting at 59,700, 59,700 ish. Yeah, I think this is our level. So if you want to take a short or have take profit on your long position that we talked about in this previous screen, I think this is your area. Other than that, we have a term structure that looks like this because of the puts. Let me just do that. Okay, so yeah, so the interesting, the most interesting play is gonna be this one. Let me just load up that chart. So yeah, let's see. So right now we are in negative gamma regime. So in negative gamma regime, you are tend to like move. So the moves are very aggressive. If I just load up the daily chart, so we talked about negative gamma around when it was like at 80K. So I think this update was kind of shared in the chat. So the update was well.
Oh, your
So
screen share is gone.
wait, my screen share is gone. Wait,
Yeah,
what is that?
there you go.
Okay, so up again. So yeah, so during the negative gamma regime, we have these alleviated down moves. So you can see this huge down move, this huge down move. So any rally that is that is going to go, it's going to end up forming a lower high. So even if you're taking the counter trend setups, your goal should be to take profits super quickly. So even if I long at this put level, which is like 58K, 59K, so our next support is going to be 56. So yeah, even if along this one, my target isn't going to be a full-on trend reversal to 80K or something like that. I'm going to quickly take profit around, which is where the current gex flip, which is like 59 470. which aligns with the spot volume level I showed just a minute ago. So this is your play on Bitcoin. However, if you see some sort of let me just load up. Let's see how the IVs look like across the board. 70. Okay, so I mean it's not that cheap, but yeah, if IV goes to like 30 on the out of money puts, sorry, on the out of money calls, yeah, maybe buy some of that. Yeah, I think this is probably it on the options. So yeah, I mean the put to call ratio is like 0.63. So this is kind of a bit worrying. So the current put hold is at 58. That's why we've been kind of consolidating around that. So this was on the option fronts. So yeah, this was it. Let me stretch up the screen so you guys can. I mean, you can use a lot of this info. There are the block RFQs. Just so yeah, let's see what is up on the IBET chart too. Yeah, I mean, IBIT chart looks not that great, but let me just load up the options on this one. Yeah. So there's this put wall below. So yeah, it's holding this put wall as support. So yeah, if it sweeps the low, it's gonna align with the IBIT shares. At that moment, if the IV of the out of money puts is like at 30, you can do a long wall kind of play. You can do a long wall kind of play, or you can just simply buy them. Simply gamble on some. I'm not gonna say buy, but you can simply gamble on some out of money calls. The last time we talked about out of money puts was at, I believe it was in the chart. It was around at, I don't know. It was at probably 73, 74K. So those puts printed like 600, 500% at minimum. I mean, because the wall, so the IV on those out of money puts. So out of money puts is basically short position, if you say. So those were like extremely cheap. If you had bought, you would have gained like 500, 600%. So yeah, this was the play. Let me. I mean, wait. There is this. So there is this another angle too, which we can. Yeah, but yeah, I mean, don't buy out of money puts here. I mean, because the downside is gonna be, because if you kind of like flip the gex level, which is like super near, the price is gonna get choppy, and you're gonna lose money on this. So yeah, a lot of updates are gonna be upcoming. So yeah, do watch that. Let me just look at some of the surface and the moneyness has. Wow. Let's see. What else do we have? The world regimes. Yeah, I kind of like consolidation. Let's skip something like this. Let's look at the IV smile. Yeah, so I got this question. So uh where can I get this data? I mean, it's on my site, derivativesmonkey.com. You just look at it. It's free. Yeah. So yeah, you kind of get all of the options data from there. So let's see what else do we have here. But the play is super clear. Like the max spin currently sits at 66 scale across like 12 expiries. Let's look at the Jerabit data. Let's look at the Jerabit data. I mean, like 10 July is kind of the popular expiry, which has a max spin level of 61. Max spin level acts as kind of these magnets to price. That's why I was saying, like, if you can find out of money cheap calls during the month of July or during the first days, buy them. I think the risk reward on those is like super, super good as compared to buying something else. So yeah, let's look at the 24 hours flow ratio. I mean, look, it looks pretty balanced. So as long a lot of calls being bought, a lot of puts being sold. So yeah, it's kind of neutral considering the last 24 hours. So usually, okay, so by the notional position, yeah, so it's by the notional, it's by the premium. So yeah, I mean, calls bought has a lot of premium because calls right now are a bit expensive. I'm not sure I would play it this way, but yeah, so pretty neutral 24 hours on that. So yeah, these are the play on options. I mean, you can, okay, so there is this good play that I can think of. It's the iron condors. I mean, you can put on some iron condors, and that can print you some money in the meanwhile. But yeah, I mean, overall 24 hours. Look, how much is that? Wait, how much is that? Is that the website? Monkey.com. Derivativesmonkey.com, yeah. But yeah, over the 24 hours, I mean, things are looking pretty quiet. So don't go on to and buy some, buy some OTM calls. So yeah, Wiz, do you want to take over?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do.
Let's. Yeah,
How
sure,
long have we
sure.
been on?
I don't know. It's been pretty. It's been an hour almost.
Yeah, holy shit. Actually, if it's been an hour, I'm gonna tap out. Let's see. Maybe we can do actually it has been an hour, 58 minutes. All right,
Yeah,
let's
yeah,
do actually since you're here, let's do a little bit. Let's have you give some money away and have a little fun. All right, what do you want to play? Let's play something.
sure, sure. Let me just turn off my screen. Yeah, you can share yours now.
Yeah. All right. What are you feeling? What do you want to play?
So yeah, let's see. Let's do lamb chops. Yeah,
Lamb chop? Yeah, we love lamb chop. So,
yeah, yeah.
okay. So this is like a fun way I like to do it. It's gonna make the chat go a little crazy, but um so the way so we'll pick a username and we'll ask them how many tiles you want to go, and they can either take the instant money or the $100, or they can go to wherever they want and take that, or it could be zero. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah, I got it. I mean, I watched enough Strange to know that.
Are you ready? Oh, you've seen it. Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, let's see. Let's find. So you pick a. You see the
Okay,
comments, right?
let's
Just
see.
pick
Okay,
one. Yeah, pick one to start with.
anyone that is saying Bond doesn't want me to make money, so I'm gonna do opposite of that.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's do four tile. Let's do four tiles.
4 tiles for whom? Give me. Do you have a username? This guy?
Uh, okay. I think yeah, it was that guy. It was
Okay,
that
fine.
guy.
All right. Cry locks. All right. 4 jumps on easy mode. All right, buddy. Let's see what we got here. Two, three, four. All right. Do you want to cash out? Actually, no. He did say 4 jumps, so we'll just give him that. So we'll give
Just
him
four jumps.
right. He said 4 jumps, so we because we can't ask cash out because that's so many comments. It's tough to find them. Okay, we're gonna cash him out. What do you think, Monkey? Should we keep going? We'll give him $150 no matter what.
Okay,
Uh,
okay, okay.
what do you want to
Let's
go till? What do you think?
let's go to the track. Let's go to the track. I think
Track?
it's yeah, yeah.
Feeling good?
Track.
You feeling good?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh no.
yeah. It was just too
That's okay. All right, let's pay this guy before we forget. All
yeah.
right, what was it? Cry locks.
Dialogues, yeah.
Cry locks, right?
By the way,
Okay.
any weekly wisdom member here, do tell, do
Yeah.
tell. Let's
Any
pick.
if you're a weekly wisdom member, put that in the comments and we'll check and we'll give priority to you guys.
Yeah, yeah. Well, let me check. Let me check. So
Yeah. Yeah. If you're a weekly wisdom member, make sure you let it know in the comments and we'll check and then we'll give you priority.
let me check. Let me check. What are you
We just
checking?
compare usernames. Oh, it's on all platforms. So this is what Twitch we're reading right now. That's Twitch, right? Twitch
Yeah.
X. We can see
WW
all the
member.
comments. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's pick this guy. Let's pick this guy.
All right. Which one?
Yeah, that Gandhi. WW member Gandhi. I think. Can I pick this comment?
Yeah, you can. Where is he? Wait, hold on. That's the wrong one. Is this so? Remember?
No. It's a Gandy.
Click it. Can you click?
Ronin. Yeah. Okay. We got another one. I don't can't click. So there was this Ronin guy.
Oh,
Uh,
Ronan. Okay.
yeah.
Oh, but he doesn't have Yeet. All right, make an account on Yeet and then send us their username after. Okay. All right. Use
let's.
Wizard of Soho code, or actually, Monkey, do you have a code? If not, we
Uh,
probably should get you one.
I don't have a code.
All right, Ronan, how many steps you want to go? Did he say?
Wait, let me check.
There's so many comments. See, that's the thing. It starts getting crazy.
Yeah. I mean, a lot of. Okay, I see a lot of weekly wisdom members now.
Do
Uh,
you? On
yeah,
oh,
yeah. I saw like okay, yeah.
on what? On Twitch or?
No, it's on X. It's on X.
Oh, I feel like Twitch comments get like priority here or something because I see. Oh, five. Okay, I saw Ronan say five.
Okay, five.
All right, Ronan. 5 steps only. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh,
Oh no!
he
Oh,
got heated.
you got yeeted, buddy. I'm sorry. I was rooting for you, bud. Which other do you see a weekly wisdom?
Sure, let me check. Let me check. Okay, so this guy Zed. I want to try my luck. He's a member. She said choose me. LOL. I want to try my luck. This is gonna be fun.
When you click, I can't see it. I see Ronan. Like, does it not let you click?
Wait. I think I can't click comments. Wait.
Oh, maybe it won't let you. Maybe you're not admin. That's why.
Okay, first three go. Okay, Zed. So that
Okay,
guys,
Zed. Oh, I see Zed. Okay. Do you have his username? Does he have a username on
what's
Yeet?
your username?
Oh, let's go free. No! Oh, come on!
Yeah,
Oh, poor guy.
weekly,
Yeah, it's not working out.
cook.
It's not working out. Next weekly wisdom member.
Yeah. Let me check. Let me check who else is here. Yeah, I mean they all are getting yeeted. So let's pick someone. I mean, all yeah. Okay, let's pick Fix California. I think I've saw it. Yeah,
Yeah.
let's pick this guy. I'm an old member. Yeah, I'll make it. Okay, sure. You can make a yeet account later. Let's pick this guy. Fix California.
Okay. Wait, what's it called? Fix California?
Fix California. Wait, let me just pick this. Okay, I can't. It should be just up high.
I don't see. California. Fix California. Go all in. There we go.
Okay,
Okay.
go on. Let's see.
Oh, all in. Oh shit.
Oh.
All the way. All right, that's what that means. Bro, stop. No, we gotta give him one more. We gotta give him one more. We gotta give him one more.
He's gonna fix California, bro. We
Yeah,
have to.
yeah. Okay, let's give him one more. Let's give him two. Even after he's the first guy all in. Let's give him two. Oh, oh, let's go. You blew me out.
Wow. He's gonna fix California for real.
Okay, now let's give him an option if he wants to keep going or not. Here's an option. Three options. All in. Okay,
Wow.
come on, baby. Come on. Holy shit, bro.
That's respectable. That's respectable.
Oh
Oh.
no! Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah.
Oh, that's tough. All right, hold on. We got South. Oh yeah, South P to cheat. All right,
Okay.
we'll run. We love South P here. Big supporter. We're gonna run a 250 run for South P.
Okay,
All right.
that's it.
All right, let's do it. All right, all the way. Okay, come on, all the way, baby. Let's give South P max win, baby. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Holy shit, No, no, no. Oh,
Okay, I mean,
oh, damn! It was up to $1,000. Fuck. Oh, that's a tough one. Damn. We should do. You think we should run it one more time for him?
let's go. Let's go.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. He's a big supporter. All right, here we
Okay.
go. Here we go. Here we go.
Okay.
Here we
Okay.
go.
Maybe
Come on,
he's
come on.
gonna make it. He's gonna.
Oh,
Bad
all
luck. Bad
right.
luck.
We tried 2 times. All right, who else you see weekly wisdom on your side? It's crazy. I think it prioritizes all the Twitch on mine. I see X, but not as much.
One more time, fix California. No, bro, you're not gonna fix
No, we
California with
already did it.
that. He almost did it. He almost did it.
What do we got? What do we got?
Let's see. Let's see. Okay, I'm a player. You are a player. What do you mean you're a player?
Oh,
Let
this
me.
guy. I
Sure. Okay, you're a player. Okay. Okay. Any other weekly wisdom member watching? We would love you to hop on. Wait.
asked for 7. We're doing 7. Wait, who is this other guy? Hold on. Saw someone who said go to the barn. Where did he go? Sosa something? I think I lost it. It's so many. All right, take me to track. All right, let's try this guy. All right, this could be. We could do a little bit more and then end it. All right, here we go. Here we go. What did he say? Take me to track. All right, let's get him to the track. Let's get him to the track, baby. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go to the track, baby. To the track. To the track. That's the track, right? That's all he wanted. All right, Sosa. He asked for the track. Let's give him. Let's pay him. Track. What was it? 261. Sosa. What do you think, Monkey? Should we go to the track? Is that what it was? Oh, 261. Oh, I think I have to give him another $100. What do we think, Monkey? Did this guy go mute? Oh, I think his internet got cut off. I don't know. Monkey. All right, we're gonna try it. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's. Oh no! Fuck. Good job with the tracks. All right, let's play something else. Let's play something else. We've only been giving money away today. We haven't tried to make any money for ourselves. All right, let's do a coin. How did I miss you? You asked for 7 and the guy died. Yeah, you asked for 7 and the guy died. So you get 0. That's how the game works, brother. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Let's make some money back here. We can. Ooh. Oh, we got double down now. Who doggy? $1,000 has. Let's go one more time. Oh no. All right. What have we been on for? Hour and 12 minutes, man. We've been here a while. All right. Let's see. Let's do a slots. All right, let's do a slots, and then we're gonna call it. How about that? Okay. Where is a slot that I like? I like the Wanted Dead or Alive. Oh no, Duel at Dawn. No, Soak Seaman. Man, I can't. I did that last time. I got crushed. Crushed. Monkey, you alive?
Yeah, I'm on the backstage. I'm on the
Oh,
backstage.
okay. I
Yeah, I
brought you
took
back
it.
up. Yeah,
Uh,
your thing like disappeared. Like you couldn't. I couldn't hear you.
yeah, I was on the call. I think I was on the backstage.
Oh, okay. No worries. All right.
Yeah. Let's see. What do we have now? Duel at Dawn. Okay. Okay, so let's pick this guy. I mean, so how does that work? I have never tried this game. Welcome, welcome. Okay, yeah. Okay, can you guys hear me? I mean, someone can comment. Couldn't hear you. 500. Okay. Wiz, you're muted. You're muted, Wiz. Ah, okay.
Picking for slots. We just play it.
Okay.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go, baby. Let's get a big win. Max win. And oh my god. Oh, we got destroyed. We got destroyed. We made no money today. Let's do a little blackjack. But if we don't make on blackjack, we're done. We're calling it a day. Let's try one blackjack. Let's do free hands and see how we do.
What's the max you have won on Yeet during these live streams?
Oh, like 15, $20,000.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
Yeah, yeah, we've had some good runs. It's been really bad the last little bit though. The last few times I haven't won a single thing. Just a lot. Last what on last Wednesday I lost like 12,000.
Well,
All right. Wizard. Have you played Blackjack Monkey ever?
yeah, I have played the blackjack. I mean, some of it.
He asked me where I am. I said Bratislava.
Let's see. Let's see.
You know what I
Okay.
should have said is Transylvania. No, it's
Sorry.
something stupid like that. Oh shit, Blackjack! Let's go! I don't know.
Yeah.
It's like I lose all the time. What's happening?
Uh,
All right, let's do it. Come on.
double down.
Oh shit, I should have double. Okay, next one.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, double down would have been good. Okay,
Come on,
let's see.
come on. Oh! All right,
Okay.
imagine we split it. That'd be insane. And we won the pair.
Yeah, it's 10 haunts. Okay.
Wow, a push.
Yeah.
Holy shit. All right, let's go.
Yeah. Okay,
Oh, who the hell
so
is this? Imagine we're getting streams.
I get like this PTSD from these tables.
What's that?
I get like this PTSD from these tables. I'm not sure if you've been scrolling Insta a lot, but there is this dual, yeah, that weird
Oh
Mike
yeah,
Tyson.
yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
I know exactly what you're talking about.
yeah. That's
Oh no! Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's get a win here. Big hand. Big
okay.
hand. Oh boy, what do we do?
Mhm.
I got a hit, I guess. Oh, let's see what he had. Oh, it doesn't matter. I had to hit. I'd have lost no matter what.
Which deck are you playing with?
What's that?
Let me. No, which deck are you playing? Wait.
I don't know.
Wait.
This is horrible.
No, no, no. How many cards are there on the deck? Wait, let me just zoom in.
Does it tell you?
Yeah, yeah. Obviously, I mean, let me just check. Okay, so it's Blackjack VIP. Let me just load it up on the other screen. Can you check for a minute? Okay. Oh, wait. We might do it a bit of a different. Okay, so it's six deck. Okay, six deck. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Odds are against you in this one, bro.
Was this
Yeah.
VIP?
No,
Why?
so there's this house edge in this one, because it's a six deck. Yeah, yeah. I
Oh,
mean,
it's six deck. Damn. Okay.
yeah, it was six deck. House has, yeah. Play two deck. Play a two deck one.
How do I find that? How do I find two deck?
There should be a filter which would just say two deck. Yeah, I mean the edge on that is like
Speed,
better.
table time. It doesn't say. It doesn't give that.
Okay, so they are all six decks. Okay. But then it's well, house has the edge then.
Yeah, no matter what. Yeah,
Yeah, house has the edge.
it is what it is. All right,
I mean,
let's just play
we
one.
can. Well, let's just play one more. Let's see.
Yeah, let's do one more and then let's call it. It's
Sure, 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 sure,
been
sure.
a long day. All right, let's do this. Pretty good. 1,300 people at this time. Holy shit! While and Maine is streaming too right now.
Yeah, it's insane. Yeah.
So we're able to get that much while Maine is streaming. That's good. No,
That's
unplanned. Damn. All right.
yeah. It's like 5 a.m. where I'm living.
Yeah.
I missed the lamb chop. Okay, so we have occupied like one, two, three, four, five, six. Yeah.
All right. Let's do one hand and let's call it. It's been hour and a half now almost.
To check how much are available.
Random late night stream, and then we got stream tomorrow too.
Yeah. So how many decks? So how many decks are available? Let me check.
I have
So
no. Yeah.
Slots
slots.
are available for you.
Okay, so there are like two. Okay, no, there is like zero right now. Okay,
I-
we
I
yeah.
think Nandi could extra kawashi.
Can he like side on
Well,
side
he
bets?
can he should put occupy at least three tables and bet on each of these, starting with the low ball chips about 100 chips on each of them to trash out the old the worst cards.
Wow, 25 to 1.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this is. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
The
Yeah. The 10 one is correct one. I think. Yeah.
the 10 NK.
Yeah. The 10K is correct. Yeah.
The other hit 5-5.
Yeah. Have you hit this one, Wiz?
No, I'm not
The
hitting it. I'm standing.
okay, we're standing.
I'm
Who are you?
20.
Yeah. Okay. You're 20. Okay.
11.
Come on, bust, 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 bust. Bust. One more. Here we go. Bust. Come on. Let's
Mm, yeah.
go.
Let's go.
All right, let's do one more. When we
Uh,
lose, we leave.
yeah. Let's do it one more.
Yeah. When we lose, we'll leave.
That would be
Fuck is this guy talking about?
yeah. But yeah, let's see. What do we?
All right, come on. Oh, that guy got mine. Oh, I got a pair. 12 to 1. Do we split it? What do we think?
Hmm. But it's 2-2. It's 2 this one. Split it,
Being a
Wiz.
degenerate, yeah.
Split. No,
Oh
just
shit! Okay.
okay.
Oh,
Split.
that's
Yeah.
good. I got Stan right. I got just Stan.
Nope. QA and
Wait, let me
10
check. QA. It's
and
Yeah,
10
what
2.
does the
to
rules
20.
say?
Oh, the hit card.
Hit
the
it.
10
Hit
to
it.
10
Hit.
to. Hit the 10 to.
Hit?
Hit the 10. Yeah. Hit the 10-2.
Gotta stay on that.
16 and 10. Say that.
16 and
Stand.
16.
Yeah. Stand.
Okay, and so we'll hit that. Let's see.
Oh,
Mm.
stand.
All right, give me a big card. Big card. Face card. Come on. Oh shit! Oh,
Eject receive.
oh my God.
Yeah. This.
That was
Good.
good. That was good. Good teamwork there. That
Yeah.
was a good teamwork.
Yeah. We should rinse heat on this blackjack place.
Oh, good hands.
Yeah.
All right, monkey. Whatever we do, you have a monkey? Do you have a year account?
I have not.
All right. If we win this one, make an account, and whatever we win, I'm gonna send to you.
Sure.
Make.
I'll
Come on,
make
bust. Come on, bust, baby, bust. 10. Oh, we won. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Alright.
Let's go. Let's
Alright.
go.
It's
Yeah.
$500 we won. That's for you.
Yeah,
When you make
that's-
your account.
Sure.
We're hot right now. We're hot.
Yeah, it's Sigdex play. Yeah.
Oh,
Hmm.
come on. I'm not getting
Probably.
shut.
Yeah. I mean, it's just switch the tables or.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will
This
call
time.
it. It's been a long stream.
By the way, how many cards are left in the? Okay, so no, it's how many cards are left in.
I
the
have
deck?
to hit, right?
Yeah, it's 5-8. He should.
Oh shit.
Yeah. 13 flop. Okay.
And
Flop. Don't play that. Well, there is an
Flop?
option of yeah. Okay.
Yeah. in blackjack.
Stand.
And come on, bust, baby, bust! Oh, let's go! All right, kind of
Yeah.
we're in a 4-win streak.
Yeah. Just leave.
Hot.
Bro, just leave. Odds are gonna get worse.
Just leave?
Trust- Yeah. Just stand up. Just
All right,
stand
this
up.
one, we'll go. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
All right, monkey said leave. All right, so we're actually gonna play it smart. So let's see what we would have gotten. We've gotten a 5. All right, let's see what we would have gotten.
Sure. Yeah.
5 and let's see. Oh, this is funny. You get like a pop-up now. Find another table.
Yeah, they don't want you to leave, to be honest.
No. Not bad.
But yeah,
15, 17. Yeah. Who knows? Who knows what would have happened? So let's see what his cards would have been.
Okay, let's
His
see.
next 2 cards would have been his. So we would have had a 17. Shut up, bitch. Jesus. Go ahead. Just
Yeah,
feel the
KBM and Mandor in deep sleep.
King?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, we would have won.
I told
You're
you.
right.
Told you.
Yeah.
The odds were, yeah. I mean, the odds were getting super.
All right. All right,
Thanks.
let's call it. Great stream.
Right.
Thank you, everyone. Appreciate everyone. Thank you. I know it doesn't work like that. Someone's like, it doesn't work. Yeah, it's just doing it for our own pleasure. All right, cheers, guys. We'll be on 11 a.m., I believe, tomorrow for Weekly Wisdom official weekly stream. Until then, cheers. Thank you to Monkey for joining. Thank you,
Yeah.
everyone.
Take care, guys.